દોસ્તો સ્વાગત છે તમારું મારા ચેનલ પર જેનું નામ છે લેવલઅપ ઇડીયુ. હું છું વિશાલ મોદી, માસ્ટર ટ્રેનર પીટીઈ, અને આજે તમારી જોડે શેર કરવાનો છું એક સક્સેસ સ્ટોરી. આ એક સ્ટુડન્ટ છે મારી જેનું નામ છે સલોની પટેલ. શી ઇઝ ફ્રોમ અહેમદાબાદ and she has appeared for IELTS twice, but she could not make up. She could not get score in reading, and so she came to me. Someone recommended her to go to LevelUP Edu and to go for PT. She was trying for Australia. She came to me and she just practiced with us for 1 month's time, and you won't believe she has got 90 in speaking. Yes, with 1 month of practice she has got 90 in speaking and 65 overall. Any requirement હતી 58 overall and not less than 50 individually, but with just 1 month practice and follow up of tips and tricks of whatever we suggested, she could make 65 overall. So we will talk to Saloni Patel and listen from her how was her experience and how could she manage 90 out of 90 in speaking. Hi Saloni, congratulations first of all for such an amazing score. So tell me, how was your experience at LevelUP?
My experience in LevelUP was so great and easygoing, and Vishal sir helped me throughout my learning from start to end. So yes.
Okay, you had given IELTS also, right, before? So what you were not able to crack it?
Yes, I was not able to crack it in reading.
Okay.
Yeah,
And how many times did you give IELTS?
2 times.
Okay. And for how much time did you practice for PT?
PT I must practice for 1 month and then I gave exam.
Okay. And can you show your scorecard to our audience? So you have got 65 overall, you can see, and 90 out of 90 in speaking. So how did you get 90 out of 90?
I followed the tips given by Vishal sir and I gave mock test every day.
Okay.
So yes, I completed 10 mock tests.
Okay. And what kind of tips were helpful to you? What do you think? What strategies was helpful to you to get speaking? Did you expect that 90 IELTS? Okay. What were you targeting? Can you score into that?
I just wanted 50 above in each of the modules.
Okay.
Yeah.
And overall was 58 requirement.
58 requirement.
And you managed to got
65.
Super. Excellent.
Thank
Again,
you so much.
congratulations and wish you good luck for your all future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. મિત્રો, આ હતું સલોનીનું એક્સપિરિયન્સ. તમારે બી ડ્રીમ છે, તમારું બી ડ્રીમ છે, તમારી બી ઈચ્છા છે કે તમારે ફોરેન જવું છે અને તમે IELTSમાં સ્કોર નથી લાવી શકી રહ્યા, તમારે બી ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયા જવું હોય એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ બિકમિંગ ડિફિકલ્ટ, then I would advise go for PTE PSN test of English. તમે આવો અમારા સાથે, અમારા પાસે અમારા નંબર્સ આપેલા છે, અમારા કોન્ટેક્ટ ડિટેલ્સ આપેલા છે. You can come to us and we will tell you how to get your score requirement and fulfill your dreams. Thank you. Signing off. This is Vishal Modi, Master Trainer PTE. I am from LevelUP Edu. Thank you.